What's up, Hilljack Nation? Me and my girl Chelsea, we're headed to the farm. Gonna check cameras, check the creeks, because it rained like 5 inches yesterday. And just see how everything looks. Pretty good storm went through, so come with us. We'll see what we can get into. Always got to run through the water, but she loves it. Well, like I said, we had storms last night, and the first damage I'm seeing is we got a tree down, or a stand down. Looks like our little field stand has blown over. There. The good news is nobody was in it. And now that stand's going to have to be replaced or redone or something. It looks like the roof tore a little bit. So camera's still attached, so I guess that's good. But yeah, no, this isn't a good situation at all. It basically got blown over off of its base. I mean, we had like 60, 70, 80 mile an hour winds, but it's yeah, I mean, it broke the steps and the stand fell. You can see there inside of it. Pretty much demolished this one. So that is no good. Part of coming to the farm. After a storm like that, you find out it's not much damage compared to what other people had. Roofs tore off their house and trees in their yards and everything else. So yeah, I'll take my blessings with this, but yep, not what you want to see when you get up here. Come on, sis, go. Well, one good thing I see is the other big stand isn't down. So that's good news. I'll look and see if it's damaged any. It does appear it could be leaning a little bit, so yeah, I'd say it's damaged a little. It's leaning like it might fall, so not good. These are old stands. They've been here a while, but you can tell that one's leaning to the right a little bit. So it's probably trash also. We'll just have to look and see. Getting ready to start down the hill here, and I got a tree down. So I got to see if I can get this out of the way. That's on our four-wheeler path. Looks like a dead tree just finally came uprooted. So we'll get this moved out the road, head down to the creek. Luckily there's not been a ton of damage, but I ain't seen everything yet. Creek is looking beautiful for sure. Look at that water rolling in there. And like I said on cue, Chelsea got in the creek. It's pretty down here, except for some of the damage we saw up top. Good girl, Chelsea. She does love the water, boys and girls. Guys, I know I've showed you some damage, but look at this. I mean, Mother Nature can be cruel, but it's absolutely beautiful when she gets them creeks to running, them waterfalls running, replenish the creeks, replenish the land. We had a heck of a drought last year, so, you know, it's nice to see the water coming. And I hated that the winds were with it, but it was nice to have the water. Anyway, we'll keep moving. Alright, we're driving into the little town of Grandview, Indiana, on our way home from the farm. And the reason I'm filming is because I want to see what this water level looks like up here at the boat ramp. Since we got all that rain and wind yesterday, yeah, it's not too bad. I've seen the water. I have seen the water. Parking lot, so it's not too bad a shape. And we got a lot of water. Well, the old floodwaters are up. Down here, you can fish at the parking lot almost. It looks like. Of the public land access. Let's see how bad this field is up here, but anyway, this is just a little bit of the water damage. Well, it's flooded enough. There's a bunch of ducks out there. I don't know if you can see them or not, but you can see all them ducks swimming out there. There's some a little closer to the road right there. Huh. Yeah, that's a field, not a lake, people. That is a field, not a lake. And there are ducks swimming. All kinds of all over. Oh, there they go. A whole bunch of them taking off. Look at them flying there. Beautiful. So Chelsea and I made it home, and the only damage at our house really is it blew a table over. And it blew the cover into the pool. So it's not on top of the pool, but that's minor compared to some of the damage that we've seen. Anyway, yeah, so rough day seeing some of the storm damage, but a good day. Chelsea and I got to go to the farm and hang out. And yeah, overall, not a bad outcome up at the farm with everything. Just going to have to probably rebuild a couple stands, but anyway, for those of you who have had a lot of storm damage, I hope everybody has good luck getting everything taken care of. We're in the time of year for storms and all kinds of crazy weather, so just please be safe out there. Get in the outdoors, get a kid in the outdoors, get your dogs in the outdoors. And until next time, God bless y'all.